Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with targeted prep. Power down, unplug, and photograph connectors so reassembly is exact. Once done, boot into safe mode or normal Windows and check Device Manager for GPU errors. Run a quick stress test and HW monitor to capture baseline temps and voltages. Make sure to download the correct driver package from the OEM or GPU vendor and save it offline. You need these diagnostic logs and the driver on hand before touching hardware, so software and hardware steps stay separated and reversible. You now move into hands-on repair. Once unplugged and grounded, remove the back cover and organize screws by location so you won't mix them up later. Carefully disconnect the battery if accessible, then remove the heatsink assembly to expose the GPU. Clean fans and fins with compressed air and inspect thermal pads and heat pipe contact. Use isopropyl alcohol to remove old thermal paste, then apply a thin, even layer of high-quality paste to the GPU die and reseat the heatsink to restore thermal conduction. You finish by reassembling carefully, reconnecting the battery, and booting to install the clean driver package or rolling back if the new driver causes issues. Once booted, monitor temperatures and stability under load for at least 30 minutes and run a benchmark to confirm improvements. Make sure BIOS is up to date and power settings are correct. If artifacts, crashes, or thermal issues persist, try an external GPU or professional reflow service. Reflow is risky and should be a last resort troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.